Alright, so what's going on YouTube? So today I'm going to be trying to install these headlights to my 2015 Camaro. Alright, so I watched some YouTube videos on how to do it and stuff, so let's just get into it and stuff. Come on, there you go. There you go. Oh, sorry, you didn't see that, but you gotta take out this clips, all these clips on here, and a 10mm bolt right there. And then, yeah. Alright, so for this side, you're gonna need a T20 to take out these little torque screws, whatever. And then in here, there's gonna be 3 bolts. I'll show you guys in a bit. That's where you're gonna use the 10mm bolt. And then right here, where the 2 bumpers connect, there's a 7mm bolt. So each step, I'll show you guys, just in case you guys don't get it or whatever. So, well, I don't get it either, but I'm just trying. I looked online and shit. So, yeah. So first, take out the torque screws, and then we get to the next step, and the next step, right? All right, cool. Keep going. All right. So once you got all these torque screws out of the way, there's this bolt, right? Let's see if I can focus on it. Where is it? It's right up. Not that one. Oh shit, my bad, guys. It's right up there. That one right there. So it'll come out. So it's like right in here. It connects these 2 bumpers together. And then right inside here, there's another bolt right there. And then there's 2 more on top of that one. But yeah, there's like right in here, and then another one up here, and then another one up there. So you take off all those bolts, and that's connected to the bumper, like for the front part. So you gotta, these are like a bitch to get. And then next is take out the bolts on the bottom. Well, I have a lip, so mine's gonna take a little bit more extra step because I have 2 lip. Fuck, it's all fucked up. That's okay. And then if you have like a stock bumper or whatever, just like some bolts on the bottom, and then so like less steps for you guys, but me, I'm not to do extra steps. But I won't show you guys that, you know. But yeah, so just get these ones out, the little bolt right here, and then like the 3 bolts that are like right, boom, right here, boom, and then like right here. And then yeah, and then the bolts on the bottom, and then yeah, you should be done taking off the bumper. After you take off that, so you take off all the screws on top, like the 7mm and everything. So yeah, this is a 7mm bolt right here, the little one right here, and the 3 inside are 10mm, just in case you guys wanna, you guys won't have to be digging through your tools and whatever. Like it took me like 5 minutes. Oh shit, fuck. Alright, fuck it. So yeah, so see you guys in the next step, right? Oh, that's a good angle. There you go. Hopefully that was a good angle because I was using my neck for YouTube, you know. Oh, we're not doing. Oh, you're not doing it. I thought you were gonna do it.
Alright.
B, like you're already in the. You're too tall to be in the frame, B. So like, don't break it. You break it, you're buying me a Z01 1LE. Oh, it's not coming off. No, it's coming off. Okay. Oh shit, you're breaking my tabs with. Alright, we got it off. Yeah. Alright, so what are we doing now?
So like,
Alright, yeah, so we're just taking off these bolts. So we're gonna be taking off these 2 7mm bolts, and it should come off. If it doesn't come off, I'll be kind of pissed. I'll be kind of burnt right now, B. But fuck it, we're almost there. At least we got the bumper off. And then yeah, put the lights on and play with it. Alright, he's almost done with it. You almost done with it or what? You almost done with it or what? He's almost done with it. Alright, can it come out? It's not coming off. Yeah, just put it on the floor. Alright, hold up. We'll be right back. Alright, so we put on the lights and stuff, so Brian's gonna turn it on and see if they work. Alright, let's go, Brian.
where's the push to start button?
Yeah, we don't have a push to start. Okay. Oh shit, alright. Oh shit, you can't see, but they work. Put the blinker. Oh shit, alright. For sure. Okay, that's the, okay, get it. And then, alright, for sure. We did it. Let's get it. So, whatever, when you did like the flashing, that was like, that was the high beams? Okay, that, what is that? That's the high beams? I mean, that's the only bulb that works, so they might just be high beams. Yeah, and then do the other one, like, put the daylight running. Oh yeah, that should look dope. Oh shit, alright, let's turn it off, Alright, for sure. Oh, you can turn it off. Oh, it's the homie right there. Oh, here comes a 5-0. I heard a 5-0. Alright, so, well, I'm gonna show you guys on that side what we did. This side we just wanted to see if we could do it, but I'll show you guys on their side. Alright. Almost done, halfway there. Alright, so we just did the other side over there. So in order to take out the headlight, you're gonna have to take off these two with just like screwdrivers right here. Then you're gonna get a 7mm, and then there's 2 bolts under here, and then these 2 bolts right here, and then the headlight assembly will come out. Alright, and then after that you just I'll show you guys how to connect the factory harness to the new headlight. Alright, so that's gonna be the next clip. But yeah, so these 2 bolts, 2 more bolts under here, 7mm, and then take off these 2. Well, you gotta take off these 2, and then this little piece right here on the bottom, because you won't be able to get the bolt. Alright, so next thing you gotta do after you put them in, just put everything back the way you did it, you know, so like just reverse order. But they look beat, man. They'll look better at night though, but they look dope. I fuck with it. But yeah, so put everything back, put all the bolts back on the side and the inside, and just reverse order everything you did. And then do it on your side, then you're done. Alright, so yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like at night or in the evening time with these on. Alright, yeah, shout out to Brian and Savannah for helping me put on my headlights. Go check out their channel, they show you how to do those, whatever. But yeah, their link will be in the description. Go check them out, they're dope as fuck. Alright, ready to go drive. You want to say an Eco Boost? Get built? Check out them for helping me out. But yeah, check them out in the description. Helping your brother out, you know. Oh, yeah.